everyone, this is Olivia. Sorry it's been so long since I've created a video. If you stay till the end, I will explain why the delay. But for now, I wanted to let you know some pretty exciting news. I am doing an early release of the uppercase alphabet for the Dangles Demystified book as a downloadable. And these pages are the exact pages that will be in the book with one exception, and that is I've removed the references in a few places that tell you to go to another section of the book. And that's because it's not going to be there. But other than that, they are the actual pages that will be in the book. So that will be 52 pages plus one blank page for you to practice the letters. And if you purchase this downloadable, then when I do release the entire book, the one that includes these pages, I will give you a 20% discount on the downloadable version of this book. Just FYI, I am really excited to do this. I've been waiting forever, as have you, for this to come out, and I just didn't want to wait any longer, so I thought I'd release at least a portion of the book for now. And to make it even better, I've taken the Dangles Delight alphabet and created practice sheets with that as well. I've made practice sheets with the letters by themselves, the letters with the dangles, and some of just dangles. And I think without looking, that's like 60 some pages. I do know the total page count somewhere around 120 pages, so that'd be 120 sheets of practice pages for the Dangles Demystified letters and the Dangles Delight combined. I've also briefly included some information about the differences between feminine, masculine, and the combination of both line types, as well as the practice pages from the book, how to use them. Even though I, have created videos on probably, I think, all the above, I wanted to include that just in case somebody hasn't seen the videos yet. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I've already uploaded this to Etsy and to my site, and I will post the links in the description box below. If you are interested, you can click on one of those and purchase a download. I think you'll have a lot of fun with them. I know that I had a lot of fun creating them, and there's quite a bit there to do. And a lot of reference videos here on my channel will help to guide you just in case you would like to reference them. Okay, now quickly, I wanted to talk to you about why the long delay. And some of you already know that I went through a really quick move because of a breakup, and that was challenging in itself, but because of my physical involvement in that move, most likely, I ended up injuring my eye. I got the PVD, a posterior vitreous detachment, and it really kind of took a toll on my ability to see for a while. My eye is still repairing from that, even though it's been a few months, but it is much better, and I am able to see quite a bit better now. But during this time off, I didn't want to risk injuring my eye any further by straining it, so I just devoted time to going through some boxes and such. But I think I'm okay to come back now. The eye doctor told me that my eye is healing slowly, but it is healing. So, yay! Anyway, I felt kind of bad about not having the book done in the time frame that I had planned on, and so I wanted to go ahead and release at least a portion of it as a downloadable so anybody that wants to get started on it can, because it's still going to take me a little while yet to finish it since I'm just able to start working again. Okay? Okay. And that's all I have for right now. But if you have any questions or comments, please post them in the comments section below, and I will definitely get back with you. And thank you so much for your patience and your support. I really do appreciate it. Okay, I will talk to you again very soon. Much love, Olivia.